Once upon a time, in a cozy little bakery, a kind old woman was baking some gingerbread cookies. She crafted a special gingerbread man with a big smile and two candy eyes. As soon as she placed the gingerbread man in the oven, something magical happened. He came to life, jumped out of the oven, and exclaimed, "I'm alive." The gingerbread man quickly hopped off the baking tray and ran out of the bakery, shouting, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." Outside the bakery, he encountered a cow grazing in the field. The cow was curious and said, "Hey, gingerbread man, come and play with me." But the gingerbread man replied, "I can't stop, I must run away." And off he went, leaving the cow behind. He ran through the countryside, passing by a horse in the pasture. The horse neighed, "Gingerbread man, let's be friends and race together." But the gingerbread man replied, "I can't stop, I must run away." And he continued his speedy journey. As he approached a river, he heard a sly voice from the water's edge. It was a clever fox who said, "Dear gingerbread man, I can help you cross the river. Just hop on my back." The gingerbread man hesitated, but he thought the fox might be kind. Midway across the river, the fox smiled wickedly and said, "Oh, gingerbread man, you look so delicious. I think I'll eat you now." The gingerbread man gasped, realizing he was tricked. In a flash, he leaped off the fox's back and swam to the riverbank. The fox was close behind, but the gingerbread man sprinted with all his might. "I'm too fast for you, Mr. Fox," shouted the gingerbread man. But the fox was cunning and continued to chase him. Just as the gingerbread man reached the other side of the river, he saw the old woman from the bakery. She had followed the commotion and recognized her little gingerbread man. "Stop running, dear gingerbread man," she cried. "I won't eat you, I just want to bring you home." Listening to the old woman's kind voice, the gingerbread man slowed down. The fox, unable to cross the river, watched them from afar, disappointed. With a sigh of relief, the gingerbread man allowed the old woman to carry him back to the bakery, where he would be safe and loved. From that day on, he stayed with the old woman, and they lived happily ever after. And that's the heartwarming story of the gingerbread man, a little cookie who learned that sometimes it's best to listen to the advice of those who care for us.